YouTube fam, and welcome back. So I have a treat for you guys today. I have partnered with this company called Prodigy Candles, who is a luxury candle company, and if you love candles as much as I do, you will definitely love them. Your girl also has a discount code for you guys, so use code GLAM10 and thank me later. As you can tell by the title, we are doing soft locks. I started recording from the very beginning, but I lost that footage somehow. I don't know how I did it, you guys, but the show must go on. I do apologize for that. So to begin with, y'all know I sectioned off the hair. I've parted her hair and I've braided her down. I always do that with soft locks because it makes the process so much faster. And then I found this new method on wrapping that makes it 10 times faster. So instead of braiding the hair down, crocheting that lock on, and then crocheting like a piece of hair through the root to wrap down, I braid the extension hair that I'm going to wrap down on the end of my client's hair. After I braid it down, I flip that up and then I wrap down. It is so much easier because you don't have to keep stopping. Now with this client, I did go ahead and braid down her whole head, and then I just went back and extended it basically with that Marley hair. But I would suggest go ahead and add that in while you're braiding the whole head down. You know what I mean? So separate that hair first and add it in as you're braiding it down. That's just 2 steps, you're taking out at one time. Just like I'm doing now, I'm just extending it with that Marley hair. And all the products that I use, I'll be sure to link down below. It'll also be on my Amazon storefront, so be sure to check that out. And honestly, with this method, you don't even need the crochet hook because I attach that lock with my fingers. Like I literally just open the loop that they have at the top a little bit with my fingers and slid it right onto that braid. But you're gonna see me do that as well. I am always looking for a way to speed up the process of getting braids. I know a lot of people don't like getting braids because of the time that it takes to install them. However, I'm always looking for, any little space to cut time. I will be coming out with a journal sometime next year that will touch on topics like that, as far as clients paying for your time and paying for your professionalism. And the journal isn't only for beginner stylists, it's for vets in the industry as well, because it will help you get through some of the most controversial topics, events, and issues that aren't talked about enough. The journal will be equipped with plenty of writing space, quotes that will motivate you, and affirmations that will inspire you. So it's definitely for everybody in the hair industry. Also, I don't know who needs to hear this, but start where you are. A lot of the time we feel as if things have to be super perfect or super put together before we start things. If you're anything like me, I will drag my feet so much, but if I've learned anything over these past few years, is to start. No matter what that is, whatever that means to you. If it's to start back going to school, start that book, start doing hair. If you want to become a stylist, just start and allow God to guide you along the way. It doesn't have to be super perfect. It doesn't have to be structured. All God wants to see is if you're going to do it or not. And anything and everything that you ever want is on the other side of whatever's holding you back. So if it's fear, everything you want is on the other side of that fear. So get started, sis. Or get started, bro. Whoever, however y'all are kin to me, okay? Because we're all kin. Just get started. And I'm going to stop talking, y'all. I'm going to let y'all finish watching the video. I just wanted to come say hey to my people and show y'all this new method. I know I sped it up. If you want me to slow it down or show you again, I will. Y'all know I will. Just let me know down below. And I will definitely get it up for you guys. I love y'all per usual. Take care of yourselves and be careful out here.